¿Cuánto tiempo lleva que no se corta usted las uñas?
Como 2 meses.
2 meses.
4, 8 semanas.
Maybe a little more than 8 weeks. Okay, let's get started. Of course, let me know if I'm hurting you.
Sí, nos avisa si le duele.
Everything trimmed up. This is the one that's bothering you. Let's see if we can see how it's digging into this. Oh yeah, you can see there how it's kind of digging into the skin. We'll get it rounded. Nice. And this one found. Okay, how's that now when I push on it? Does that feel better?
¿Mejor?
Sí. Sí, porque se están metiendo a los lados.
Como un aceite.
You know who I kind of feel like? You know when they this is where the little blood's under the nail, but this should still be painless. So what happens here, so the nail's long, they stub the nail, that blood is under the nail, you can see that there. It's not gonna hurt anything. Just gonna clean out some of that. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see, this nail might be completely loose from the base. Is that hurting?
¿Le duele?
No.
I'm actually going to take that part back because I don't want you to snag. Oh, there's an entirely new nail growing underneath there. How long ago did that happen? Probably about 3 months ago when you bumped that toe?
¿Hace cuánto se golpeó esa uña?
Oh,
¿Se acuerda?
sí, tengo como 15 días.
15 days.
Sí.
I think maybe a
Pero
little
no he
more than
dejado
that.
de hacer ejercicio por la sangre, ¿verdad? Que se podía meter y como estoy diabética.
Because here's the whole new nail growing.
Porque dice que una uña nueva le está creciendo por debajo de...
So I'm going to leave this part here because that part's adhered to the skin well. But the part that was loose, I don't want her, well, she has the hem cut off these, but that lovely little hem that on the jeans or something, last thing I want is that to snag and then pull the loose nail off. So I'll cut that off. But the part that's still securely attached, I'll leave that. I normally, sometimes I take it off, sometimes I don't. But because you're a bit more seasoned, if you will, we won't put you through that unnecessary stress.
El doctor de cabecera que no meneara ni picara la uña, que solita iba a salir nueva.
Sí.
And then this short fourth toe here, that's a very common thing. Well, I won't say very common, but it's a common condition that we see. This is called brachymetatarsia.
Mi abuela, la mamá de mi papá, así tiene, pero los 2 pies, sí.
So essentially this toe is really short.
Desde familia.
Sí, mi hermana, el cuarto de abajo para arriba, tenía los 2 pies igual que mi abuela.
También.
Lloraba, dice que cuando era grande se iba a operar.
¿Y sí o no?
¿No ves?
¿Se operó o no?
No, murió como a los 12 años, se intoxicó, que allá el PRI te da un lunch.
Ajá, ¿a poco de eso?
Sí, le dieron, y la leche estaba echada a perder, el sándwich, y comió palomitas y le dio tifoidea fulminante.
Ay, lo siento mucho.
Chiquito. Casi ahí va. Es que tengo cosquillas.
Me cosquillas.
We'll leave the nails with a little bit of shape in case she wants to paint them.
No, pues cuando.
And I'll take all the little ridges out.
Ay.
Oh, sure was fine. And leave a little shape.
Y aquí también de las manos me la puede cortar.
Sí.
Ah, qué bueno.
Tiene que
Along on the soles. I like the way you do it. I'm almost done here.
Como las 4 semanas que volvieron creciendo, son amarillas. ¿Esa es enfermedad? No sé.
Yo le pregunto. So she's asking for the nails, like they grow up yellow.
Mm-hmm.
So is that like something she has to be concerned about?
I would say leave it alone at this stage in life. We are well into our 70s. We've got, from what I'm looking at, a few other medical issues on the chart. It's not, I would not want to put your health at risk with a drug interaction. I can see at least 4 meds over there. The last thing I want to do is put your health at risk just trying to clear up some yellow nails.
So, but it's nothing like too concerning.
I'm not very concerned. At this point, it's more cosmetic and not really quality of life. And the last thing I want to do is throw off your cholesterol, your blood pressure, your heart, or anything of the sort, just trying to fix, hey, I don't like the way my nails look.
Sí, dice que no es nada de lo que se debe preocupar. Ahorita como está tomando usted más medicamentos, no quiere recetarle todavía más y...
Yeah, there was some oath somewhere where I said I was going to do no harm or something like that.
That's not fungal, right? Like fungal.
Yeah, I would say something like a fungal, yeah.
Sí puede ser algo, pero sí, no le queremos dar nada de medicamento para no combinarlo con sus
And at this stage, topical treatments wouldn't really work. Almost done here. Just gonna buff over, polish and smooth. Only by the time you cut and shape. And you can see the new nail that's growing in there really well. And we're gonna clean this nail up and get them nice and pretty for you. They look better already, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Almost like we know what we're doing here. And here's our little brachymetatarsia toe. It's cute. That's interesting. Normally you see it on both sides. I don't see it on one side like that. Are you guys painting? You got white paint on the...
Yeah, she likes to paint her house, like
Gotcha.
crafts, but she has paint.
Gotcha. I was wondering, because at first I thought it was nail polish because I saw a little white dot. And I'm like, I doubt she's painting the bottom of her feet, so.
Yeah, she's painting a vase.
Gotcha. So is that your hobby? You enjoy painting?
Yeah, that's the thing. Pintar, piguñas de pintura.
Sí, pinté un mueble.
Gotcha. All right.
Súper raros, pero ay.